Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should have bar graph now.
Should have graph. In case you don't have, we can do it on registers also. Don't worry. Okay? We can do it in registers also. I am sharing one PPT with you, continuing with the same. This is one of the next question we are going to do today, right now. Look at this question.
This one we did it.
You did not complete. Did we complete?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we are going.
ma'am.
Very good. Now we are going to construct the bar graph for the same. We are going to construct. Let me explain you a little bit about bar graph. Let's revise about bar graph. Then we will construct the bar graph using the same data. जो आपने कल data collect किया था, we are going to use the same data and we are going to construct bar graph for the same. I'm just trying to recapitulate what was the bar graph actually. Bar graph means where we use, it's a kind of graphical representation where according to categories, we draw rectangular bars of a uniform width. And in between also the two bars, there's a equal gap. And we choose x-axis as well as y-axis. It's an example. This is an example of bar graph where this axis is called x-axis, where we've written cat, dog, bird, fish, rabbit, and where I have written the votes. This is y-axis, and this is the title of y-axis. And here also we need to write the title of x-axis also. Now you can see the red bars here. These red bars are of uniform width. इनकी सबकी width बराबर होगी. And gap also in between should be uniform, equal gap. Now should I start making you construct the same graphical?
Yes, ma'am.
Start the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm coming back.
Mama.
I hope no need to remind you that graph has equal gap. Now, this was the data. This was the data yesterday. You all are saying we are done. So 28 was the value
Yes,
of
ma'am.
women.
This we have done.
Yes, 15 was the value of men, and 5 was the value of boy, and 12 was the value of girl. So we are going to construct this bar graph using the same data which we made yesterday. For which we made the frequency table yesterday. Okay. We'll draw x-axis. Draw x-axis, beta. Draw x-axis.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw x-axis.
X-axis can be of any measurement now.
Yes. Akriti hai and Divyansh has joined late. So I am sharing the attendance link for both of them again. Yes. Then we have to draw y-axis. Now here I have chosen the scale of 5. You can take a scale of 10 also, because I always keep on telling you to take it as because we have 10 thin lines between each box of the graph. So we normally, it will be convenient for you all of us, for all of you, that if you take a scale of 5 or 10. Here I have chosen the scale of 5. This is the origin, x-axis and y-axis to be labeled. Then title of x-axis and title of y-axis. Then I have chosen the scale of 5. Like this. I'm going to write the values. Children, please mute yourself. No disturbance. Accepted from the back.
Easy.
Have you drawn till here? Children, please reply. Have you drawn till here?
Ma'am, just a second.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, first value was for women. What was the value of women? How many women entered in the shop?
28.
28. So bar graph will come near here somewhere. 25 ke बाद 2 thin lines will be counted. 26, 27, 28, then 29, then 30. Okay. I am doing approximately, but you will do exact. If you are using graph, we can perfectly, exactly we can draw. Like this. 28 somewhere here. Then 15 for men. Then 5 for boy. I think then 12 for girl. Draw it. Gap also in between. Bar graph has gap also in between.
I'm drawn till here.
Complete the graph, beta. We will also practice for one double bar graph. We will also practice for one double bar graph.
And what is the measurement of woman, man, boy, girl?
Value. Value आपने कल नहीं किया था बच्चा. Value we made the
Yes,
table
ma'am.
yesterday. 28 was for women, 15 was for men, 5 for boy, and 12 for girl.
Okay.
मैम जो बार की विड्थ और दोनों बार मैम जैसे हमने वुमेन के में विड्थ जितनी वुमेन की लिए बार में उसके वुमेन और मेन के बीच में उतनी विड्थ लेनी है या फिर हम अलग विड्थ ले सकते हैं?
बेटा गैप इक्वल गैप. अगर यहाँ पे एक 1 1 का गैप लिया है तो गैप should be of 1 1. If you have taken 2 2 gap, you have to take 2 2 gap. And this is not necessary कि जितना इसका width है उतना ये हो. For our convenience, we do like this: one bar graph we leave, then one we draw, then one we leave, one we draw. Either we can do even two we can leave, one we can draw, 2 we can leave, 1 we can draw, depending on our data. Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
if everybody has done this, I want to do one more question, bache.
Just wait a second.
One more double bar graph is to be done. I'm going to check your work also, so be prepared. Last 5 minutes, I'll keep it for checking your work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. Let me tell you what is now. Can I change the slide?
No, ma'am, 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You've done this in class 7th also, beta. We're just revising. Histogram is new for us. Histogram नया है हमारे लिए. हम histogram नया करेंगे.
Now mine done. Can I show you?
Others, wait, Shivansh. One more double bar graph, then you will show me. Okay. One more. And now, what do you mean by double bar graph? Double bar graph, where we have 2 sets of data simultaneously.
Ma'am, for example. Yes.
See, when we have
When
we have 2 sets of data simultaneously, like if you want to compare your first term and second term marks, you can use double bar graph. Or if you want to check the sale of
Ma'am, profit and loss for different companies.
Profit and loss.
or yes, or a sale of in a shop.
Company, Ma'am, sale of pants and sale of shirts.
Yes, let's see one example here. This bar graph shows some blue lines and some purple lines. Some bars of blue color, some bars of purple color. Blue color shows coffee sold in cafes and purple color shows coffee sold in canteens. So we can see here, coffee is sold in cafes is more in January, February, May, June and July. And it is less in March and April. Can you all check? We can interpret this from the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
So this figure shows number of coffee sold in cafes and canteens for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June and July.
मैम ये कंपेयर करने के लिए होता है ना डबल
हाँ
बार
जी, हाँ जी. अब हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. ये ड्रॉ करो बेटा, कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. Write this data.
Yes, ma'am.
Very interesting. Very simple also. I have chosen very simple values. Two classes we are comparing. The number of pets owned by students in two classes.
Okay. And can I take the scale 5?
Yes, you can take the scale of 5. Akriti, understanding everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Divyansh, समझ आ रहा है बच्चे? Divyansh, you're not replying. समझ आ रहा है?
मैम इसमें हम 2 या 3 का स्केल ले तो ठीक होगा.
Ma'am,
To the scale
my
of
voice is
2.
coming.
Yes, your voice is coming.
Ma'am, पता नहीं पहले तब से बोल रहा हूँ आपको अब आई है.
I think you forgot to unmute. Are you able to understanding? But whatever, have you understood whatever I taught?
Ma'am, इतना मतलब थोड़ा बहुत आया, पूरा नहीं आया.
तो ये बार ग्राफ तो हमने पहले किया है बेटा लास्ट ईयर. अब why did you ask?
अरे
चलो ये ड्रॉ
ma'am,
करो.
मतलब बार ग्राफ
डन मैम.
भी है मेरा.
You can draw this bar graph on the register sheet also, in case you don't have the graph available nearby.
Ma'am, I am doing in bar graph.
शीट पे कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक है बेटा.
मैम हमें इसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स में करना होगा मैम डबल बार
हाँ जी. Either you can color with different pencil colors or you can use the shading with the pencil also. I'll show you how graph looks like. Data also I have kept here. Data you will not keep. I am just kept just to make you understand. First we will draw x-axis, then y-axis, then title of x-axis, class. We have chosen two colors, one for class A, another for class B, and on y-axis I have chosen 4. You can take any 2 or 1 or 3, whatever you want. I think 2 and 4 will be convenient. 2 or 1 will be convenient. Either you take 2 or 4 will be more convenient. Speaking, disturbing the class. I think there's a network issue.
मैम 2 will be appropriate.
Yeah, 2 is easier. हमजा आपके साथ आपके इंटरनेट इशू है बच्चे, म्यूट करो. हाँ, I think you want to ask something, you can write in chat then. Pets owned in 2 classes. This is the title of x-axis. The number of pets. देखो, first value is 12. 12 will come near here. So first bar graph will be drawn like this. Then second value is 14. So we are going to construct here 14, just adjacent to it. Just adjacent to it with no gap. Because both the rectangular bars are for dog. So, and we are going to write the word dog here because this green and yellow, both are meant for one category only, dog. Then next value is 9. And then next value is 8. Adjacent we have to draw, and in between two categories we have to keep one box blank. Cat, then bird, 2 and 3, like this. I hope I could explain you in the best way, best possible way. Will you all be able to draw? Shreyash, draw kar payenge na beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Purva, will you be able to construct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Start drawing. I want to check your work also.
Ma'am, mine is done.
Very good.
Ma'am, but it is too short, ma'am, because I took ma'am 5 scale now.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. I'll check your work.
May I show you
Yes, show me.
the both work?
Show me first one first.
Can I show?
Wait.
See this.
Shivansh, where is Shivansh? Shivansh, show your work.
Can you
beta.
see mine?
No, it's not visible. How come it's not?
Yes, ma'am.
visible?
See.
Please bring your work near the camera. Bring your work near the camera. And your video should be on, then only I'll be able to see. I cannot
Yes,
see your
ma'am.
work.
My video is on.
No, I cannot see your work. It's totally black. I'll again change the view. Yes. Now I can see. Let me check. Yes. In the second one, you have to mark the difference also, like 2 colors or 2 different shadings. Who's showing this? Aman.
Ma'am, this is first one.
Yes.
Bol. Ma'am, this is first one and this is second one.
Okay, I'll check one by one. Now, once you are
Second.
all done, yes.
Ma'am, this is second one.
नहीं
Very good.
बाद में खेलूंगा
Who is talking on
आज
phone?
शायद ही खेलूं बे
Who is talking on
पढ़ना।
phone?
Percent.
Ishmael.
Ma'am, Ishmael.
Not allowed to talk on phone in between the class.
Ma'am, can you see mine? I have done.
I'll just change the view. पूरा view change करते हैं. Gallery view में आते हैं. फिर सबका check करते हैं बेटा बारी बारी से. Once you are all finished, just show me the
Ma'am,
signal.
can you see mine?
Ma'am,
1 minute.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था
I can see Tanzil's work. शिवांश
Ma'am,
आपका
see mine first and second.
अमन का नजर आता है. शिवांश आपका नजर नहीं आ रहा बेटा. ब्लैक आ रहा है.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आप दोबारा समझा लोगे मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था
ये वाला.
यस मैम
ये डबल
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, I can see yours. Hamza, this was a double bar graph. Data is given to you. Data is given. According to the values, we have to make the rectangular bars adjacent, like here. The value of dog
Done,
is
ma'am.
12 and 14. So first bar is of 12, second is for 14. Next time, cat for 9 and 8. First bar for 9, second bar for 8. Then bird 2 and 3. वैल्यू नोट कर लो बेटा, ड्रॉ कर पाओगे आप, इजी है बिल्कुल, ठीक है? वैल्यू नोट कर लो, नोट द वैल्यूज.
मैम वैल्यू नोट कर ली मैंने.
ठीक है. I wanted to change the view so that I can check everybody's work.
मैम प्लीज सी माइन.
Akriti, yes, I have seen yours. Good, very good.
Ma'am, mine
Really? Who? Kulpreet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Let me check. Kulpreet, I'm not able to see yours. I'm not able. Yes. Let me just pin your video. No, work is not visible. Your head is visible a little bit. Your work is not visible. So bring the work in front of the camera. Yes, I can see now. Okay.
Ma'am,
Aman
mine is
Sani.
done.
Aman Sani is right. Shreya, show your work.
Ma'am, me, Krish.
Krish. Let me see Krish work. Krish. If all of you done, I can change. I want to change the view. If I change the view, I can see better. Krish, yes. Krish. Yes.
We are doing more some
Done, ma'am.
bar graph.
Wait. Now I will check one by one everybody's work, and I'll show to others also. Shreya, show your work. Tanzil, I am showing Tanzil's work. Everybody, please see. He is showing the second graph. Yes, very good. Show the first one also.
Ma'am, may I show the second graph?
Wait, one by one.
Ma'am, can I show the second graph?
Yes, very good. Yes, Apurva is showing. Apurva. Yes, Apurva, show
Ma'am,
both.
can I show?
बच्चे सबकी बारी आएगी. I've got enough time. I'll show everybody's work. Don't worry. Yes, very good. You need to keep in mind title, x-axis, y-axis, and the bars. Now, who Aman want to show?
Ma'am, may I, Tanish?
बच्चे एक मिनट रुको, सबको दिखाएंगे. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Aman,
Shreya.
yes. Fine, Aman, I have checked yours. Yes, Aman, I have checked yours. Now,
Ma'am, Tanish.
Tanish, show your work first.
Shreya.
I'll check everybody's. Okay. Title नहीं लिखा बेटा आपने x axis पे. I think I cannot see title on x axis.
Ma'am, नहीं ma'am, मैं लिखा है. Ma'am, लिखा है.
Okay. Prableen, beautifully done. Let's see Prableen's work. Very good. Second one also show second one, Prableen. Wonderful. Let's all clap for her. Very good. She has done really wonderful work. Yes, very good, Prableen. Keep it up. Yes, somebody else. Hamza, Krish, you were showing. You want to show? I have said yours. Krish, show it again. Hamza is showing now. Hamza. Yes. First one. But you have not mentioned the title of x-axis and y-axis. Mention the title. Okay, name of x-axis and
मैंने
name of...
टेस्ट कर दिया था.
नहीं, name लिखना है बच्चे, हाँ? Kulpreet wants to show me. Let me see Kulpreet's work. Yes, correct. Who else wants to show me the work? Divyan, show your work. Pranay, I have not checked your work. Lavish is
After this, we are
Lavish is
doing more
showing.
sums of bar graph now.
Wait. Very good. Lavish, very good work. Good, beta, very good. I'm really happy my children are learning so fast and so good. Arnav, show your work. Mahin, Sarthak, Kavneet, Ishmit, Ishit, Divyansh. Except these children, everybody has shown me the work. Akriti, very good. I've checked Tanzil's work, Akriti's work. Hiten, you've not shown me. Hiten, show your work. Write a title, beta. You forgot to write title of x-axis and y-axis. This side write pets. This side write number of pets. Okay? Number of pets. Then, Divyan, show your work. Divyansh, show your work. Kanishk, I've never seen your work. Kanish, have you done? Kanish, have you done? Kavneet, have you done? Kavneet, have you done? Sarthak is showing the work. Let me check Sarthak's work. Sarthak, but rotate the notebook, beta. Rotate it. I'm not able to see. Okay, okay, fine. I have checked yours. Kavneet, you're not replying. Are you there? Divyansh, you have not shown me the work, beta.
Ma'am, I'm there.
You have not shown me the work. Everybody has got their work checked. Everybody has got their work checked. You have not shown me the work. Kulpreet has shown. Kavneet, show your work.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am, I'm doing.
Ishmeet, Arnav, Bansal. Are you all there in the class? I have a doubt that you all are there. Pranay Madnani, you were very active for geometry chapters. What happened now? Pranay, show your work. Kanish, Mahen. When will be the lucky day I'll be able to see your work? Pranay, are you there in the class? Pranay, are you there in the class? So these children will not show the work. I have a doubt that they are in the class or not. So I think I should start with explaining you histogram. Histogram समझाते हैं थोड़ा सा. Then we will start constructing histogram tomorrow. Okay? Yes, we'll come back. Now, what is histogram? Histogram is a bar graph, kind of a graph only, but here we have continuous data, no gap in between. It is a continuous interval. Bar graph of grouped frequency distribution of continuous class interval. Yesterday, do you remember we made one frequency table of continuous data?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that type of data can be represented using histogram with no gap in between. There is no gap in between each bar. This is a reading of question. I am showing one of the question, which is reading of question. Number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television during holidays is shown through the given graph. It's a book question only. I'm just showing you the question. Now the first part of the question is, you can write the answers in your book even. If you have the book right now, this video with you right now, write the answers in the book.
By seeing this picture.
Yes. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Shivansh, reply this then. For how many hours did the maximum?
ये कैसा बार ग्राफ है?
This is a histogram.
ऐसे कोई गैप नहीं है?
This is a histogram. अभी तो बताया आपको हिस्टोग्राम में कोई गैप नहीं होता ना बेटा. Right now I told you. It means that 1 to 2 hours 4 children watch the TV. 2 to 3 hours 8 children watch the TV. 3 to 4 hours 22 children watch the TV. Like this. Okay.
Now I understand.
For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV, Hamza?
4 to 5.
4 to 5. 32 is the
hours.
maximum value and 4 to 5.
32.
32 the number of students. 32 students watch TV
32.
for,
Number of students are 32.
but we have asked, the question is how many hours, not the students. Therefore, the maximum number of students who watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. Please write the answers in your book. Write the answers in your book.
Okay.
Can I discuss? Can I come to the next question?
Yes.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
question says, how many
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours means
4.
34.
wait. Less than 4 hours means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. We have to count these 3 bars. Values
34.
of these 3
34.
bars. Yes. Very good.
34.
Number of students who watch
34.
TV less than 4 hours is 22.
Ma'am, by adding, ma'am, we get the number of students which watch TV for less than 4 hours. Ma'am, by adding, ma'am, children watch TV for 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and 1 to 2 hours.
Very good. This is what I explained. You repeated the same. Very good. Next. How many students spent more than 5 hours? More than 5 मतलब
46.
this one.
46.
Wait. ध्यान से देखो बेटा. More than 5 मतलब 5 to 6.
14.
14 to 7.
14.
Okay.
14.
More than 5 means 5 to 6. 6 to 7.
6 to 7.
Number of students who spent more than 5 hours is 8 plus 6, 14. Are you all writing in your book? Children, are you all writing the answers in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a book question only. Okay, the question is done. One more question is there. It's a histogram.
Ma'am, question number 1.
A histogram. Number of literates. Literate females in the age of 10 to 40. So this graph shows 320 women, 320 females are in the age of 10 to 20, and 1100 women are there who are literate between the age of 20 to 30, like this. Okay, let's see the questions. I think we have to refer the graph again and again. Let's see. Write the age group in which the number of literate female is the highest. Let me come back to the graph then. हमको ग्राफ पे वापस आना पड़ेगा. मैक्सिमम किसमें था?
20 to 30.
20 to 30.
30.
20 to 30.
Yes, ma'am, 20 to 30.
So we can say the highest rectangle that corresponds to highest number of literate females is 15 to 20. Let me check.
Ma'am, it is
No.
20 to 30.
20 to 30. What we'll do is I'll bring the graph here and we'll continue this discussion tomorrow. I'll bring this graph. I'll bring this graph with the question only. It will be convenient for you to answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just coming back.
Okay.
I'm just changing the view. Stop sharing the screen. Yes. Anybody has any query in any of the parts we have
No,
done till
ma'am.
now? Tomorrow we are going to learn how to read a histogram. You've done one question, we'll do one more part. And we will also learn how to construct a histogram.
अरे आगे जाना पड़ता है.
Vitain, you are not mute. And you're talking. Are you all taking care of your health?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Having good food? At what time do you wake
Yes,
up?
ma'am.
At what time do you wake up?
Ma'am, 7 o'clock.
45. 7:30.
Very good.
7:15.
When you have a
7:15.
class at 8, you are waking up at 7:45. How will you have breakfast? How will you take bath?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
7:15.
wake up at 7 o'clock.
Yes, at least
7:15.
at least 1 hour you need to get yourself prepared for your class. Until unless you are fresh.
6:50.
जब तक आप fresh
Ma'am,
नहीं
I
होंगे,
wake up at 7:45 every day.
so it means you don't get ready before the class. It means that you need to be
No,
ready
ma'am, I
like
get fresh ready, but don't have breakfast only.
then
I get
it's
fresh
bad.
ready, but don't have
It's bad. If you're having breakfast after 12, it's bad. If you take your breakfast, get your breakfast before your class, and in between also 10, 15, 20, you can have something, some snack kind of thing to have in between. Okay? And keep your water bottle always with you. Keep yourself hydrated. This is also important.
मैम खाली पेट में पढ़ाई नहीं होती सही तरह.
हाँ, You cannot learn if you're hungry, if you're not full of tummy is not full, you can't learn. So it's important. And please take your time, take out some time for your friends. You can talk to your friends, keep yourself busy with your socially also. Talk to your relatives, talk to your friends.
हमारे स्टडी बडी ग्रुप वाले बच्चे रोज मैम रोज क्विज खेलते हैं जूम मीटिंग में जूम
मैम मैं और रितेन रोज क्विज खेलते हैं.
Wonderful.
मैम मैं और कनिष्क.
Are you all sharing the work also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, all those who are not, they're like Hariyar. He joined and now he left because he must not be having the things with him. So he has left.
And there
So
are
please,
only 20 students.
Please help him to understand. जो उसका छूट जाएगा, he is a little slower boy. He is not able to complete work in the class. Please help him to complete the work. Okay, children? So tomorrow we will learn histogram. Have you understood whatever I taught today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Goodbye, children. Take care. God bless my children. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.